Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the 1 year 7 update for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and a stability update that I just got on my Samsung Galaxy A34. And before talking about the stability update, I just received another update of the security patch update in the Samsung Galaxy A34. You can search for that update by simply going into your settings and then clicking on software update. From here you will get to see this new update of 1st September 2024 security patch. Now the next update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy A34 is in the about phone. Then go into your software information and then select Google Play System Update. So here you will get to see a new update or the update will be already installed. You just have to simply restart your device to complete the update process. But make sure to restart your device when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And this installation process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And now the installation is finally done, and when you will check for the new update, now you will get to see that your Google Play system update will be on the 1st October 2024, as previously it was on the 1st September 2024. I got a similar update on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that was 78 MBs in size. So this update on the A34 will be anywhere near to it as well. So do check out this update, as this is a Google Play system update and it will fix all the bugs and issues, and also it will improve the stability of your device. Now talking about the One UI 7, so before that let's talk about this new clock application. So now you can get an early access to this clock application and these new smoother widgets. You can update your clock application now by simply using a method. I have explained that. You can check that out by simply going into the link mentioned in the description, by which you can get to see an early access to these clock widgets, and these widgets are completely working fine. And the good part is that we have a device list from the same mobile website, in which the Samsung Galaxy A34 is included in the device list of the One UI 7 update. But the features that are coming with the One UI 7 update are still not revealed, as there were no as such AI features introduced with the One UI 6.1 update. So we hope that we will get to see some AI features with the upcoming One UI 7 update. So if you're Samsung Galaxy A34 user, so that is a good news that One UI 7 is coming up with some new UI design. And that's all for today's video. These were some of the new updates for the Samsung Galaxy A34, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.